Festivals for a student, what does it mean? What does Diwali mean to you? All of you are away from your home. Perhaps many of you are depressed that, I mean, that you could not go back to your near and dear ones. I am telling you from my personal experience that the more number of mails and interviews you fail, you start to avoid people. And you start to go home less and less. I know this journey very well, especially on these days. What was the tax that we had to pay? It used to take a part of us every year with every failure. So for you, don't live in the past. It takes only one attempt. What happens is this exam starts to change us in a negative way. You will be irritated and you will be harsh to the people who care for you. Even when your mother gives you something nice to eat, you will be like, वजन बढ़ रहा है आपने ये खाने के लिए दे दिया है ना. Although for the next 1 year, that is entirely your fault. So I would say that please connect with your families today. Be yourself. Avoid this hollowness of UPSC defining your entire personality. Connect with your family, connect with your friends. Today is the day for you to be yourself without the success or failure of UPSC. There is life after UPSC, there was life before UPSC. You hold on to it too much, and because of that, anxiety, etc., those things will come. Do respect your struggle, and wherever you are lacking, you are lazy, you are indisciplined, be harsh on that. You are learning things which perhaps no university, no college, no school system will teach you. And without changing your mindset, this education brings an automatic transformation. You will become better human beings. The point is that celebrate well and then study hard. Okay. And be kind to yourself first and then to others.